Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to Duolingo's account area. Open the app or Duolingo. Calm and sign in. Once inside, tap your profile and go to Settings, then Email Preferences or Notifications. This is where emails are controlled. Make sure the email shown is the one receiving messages. If not, update it first because changes apply to that address. Start by locating the Email or Notifications section. You need it open to turn off specific categories like Digest, Tips, or Promotional Mailings. You'll now fine-tune which messages stop. In Email Preferences, uncheck Promotions, Tips, Digest, or Product Updates. The categories control campaigns versus critical notifications. For newsletters and course activity alerts, toggle each off individually so you don't accidentally disable security or billing notices. Once done, hit Save or Confirm. You should see an on-screen confirmation. Make sure to wait for that confirmation because it verifies the server registered your choices. And if you have multiple devices, sync or refresh the app to reflect change. You've completed preference changes. Now finalize and test. Expect a 24-48-hour window for mailing lists to clear. Marketing systems often send queued emails. If messages persist, inspect your email client's filters and rules. Sometimes forwarding or labels override sender settings. As a last resort, change the account email to a secondary address or contact Duolingo support from the Help Center, explaining you disabled emails. If they don't stop, provide dates and examples so support can escalate and remove your address from active campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.